What's the meaning of behead? Behead. Behead.
Behead. Behead. To behead means to cut off someone's head, typically as a form of punishment or execution. It is a violent and brutal act that has been used throughout history as a means of enforcing authority and justice. The practice of beheading has been used in various cultures and civilizations, ranging from ancient times to the present day. It is often associated with acts of war, terrorism, and political unrest. In recent years, the public beheading of hostages by terrorist groups has become a disturbingly common occurrence. The act of beheading is considered barbaric and inhumane by many, and has been condemned by international bodies and human rights organizations.